have you ever wondered if rolling in pineapple into your new house really gives you more luck and wealth? I'm Tracy, welcome back, and today I will be asking all the questions that you need to know before moving into your new home with Master Elvin!
Hello everyone, nice to be here again.
I think the burning question for us is definitely, is the pineapple really working?
What do you think, Tracy?
Okay, honestly, I think it's just a procedure.
Yeah, so basically it's just a procedure. It's because of the 谐音, okay, of the pineapple. 旺来旺来 ong 来 ong 来啦 heng ong huat lah. So because this is definitely a positive vibes, you see. Okay, but if you ask me whether is it a feng shui or not feng shui, I would say it's not a feng shui. But if really just by rolling of pineapple can make the whole house prosperous, then I think I will get a basket of pineapple to go and just roll it.
Roll here.
Wow, just roll to the whole house. You see?
Roll.
Yeah, and also I think the feng shui master also is jobless already. Not lost job already. Okay.
Is timing important? Let's say, don't talk about rolling the pineapple because since it's not really a feng shui related. Maybe if of like moving into a new home, timing or let's say dates, is that very important?
Yes, definitely. I believe you guys heard about 天时地利人和. Okay, I think even the promotion people, those people who are in your workplace that they have promotion, hey, people will say, oh, right place, right location, and right timing. So all this is about timing. So that's why the 天时 is meaning the timing. So you need to select the time to match the 地理. What is 地理? 地理 is your house. And also the human, 人和. So 天时地利人和. So the timing is very important when it comes to house moving. People who did ask me about this question, when do we roll the pineapple?
Yes,
is it
when?
open house opening or
collect the key?
Yeah, collect the key. Yeah, some people just open the house and just roll the pineapple. For my perspective of opening the house, I would not do that.
Moving in, I say like stay already.
Stay already. The day that I move in, I roll the pineapple. So the moving of the pineapple, I feel that it will be that timing that roll.
Before we move in, maybe you can give us some pointer of like what we can take note before moving into.
You all please take a pen or paper and pen. Please note it down, okay? Definitely it's good to engage a feng shui master before getting the key.
Before getting the key.
Yes.
Oh.
Why? Because the feng shui master will select a date, okay, at the time for you to do cleansing. Because the date and the time is to enhance the human energy. Okay. It's just like a reformat of the computer.
Okay,
when the computer is full of virus, Tronjo, all this. So we need to, do the reformat. Same thing, we need to reformat the house, okay? Then make it neutralized.
So the feng shui master will actually cleanse the house before we move in?
When you are getting the key, okay, then the feng shui master will advise you how to do the cleansing.
Yeah, got the date and time also.
Yes. Because why we need to also enhance the human being there to do the cleansing. If you choose the wrong date, wrong timing, it might be against the human being, the energy of the human being. Then the human being will be easily fall sick or something like that. The energy will be low.
So normally, what you would suggest to engage a feng shui master before you even collect the key?
Yeah, if you can.
When you already selected the unit or way before?
Maybe before you get the key 2 weeks in advance, then you go and search for the feng shui master. Okay, I think it's good to search for the feng shui professional one to help you with this. They will guide you from the start, okay, or from the key collection to the day that you move in.
I don't know, like some people they maybe forgot to engage beforehand. So after they move in already, do they still allow to engage one?
Yeah, definitely allows to engage the feng shui master. So for example, if you engage the feng shui master before renovation, definitely you can make use of renovation like the colors, the laminate of the thing, laminating, all this. You can make use of that, okay, to boost the feng shui or remedy the feng shui stuff, okay, and also by the the bed position wise, what is the right bed position, what is the remedy. So we can have a ID plan, we say renovation ID 3D plan. So we have that, okay. So it's better, but if you already move in, there's some restriction, but that will definitely can be solved by the itemized stuff. Like take for example, if the career sector, you need wood energy there. Okay, we can use plant, we can use bookshelf, okay, all these the books there. okay, to help, okay, to enhance the energy, or maybe the working desk to place at that location. Okay, so
Placing
this.
of items lah.
Yeah, so by tapping that energy there. But the only thing that we want to let you guys know, that will be also restriction as well. Because you already do the renovation, there is some renovation is customized stuff.
Already fixed there. Already.
Yes, fixed there.
Yeah, the lot
like,
of drawers and all these already
yeah,
fixed there.
and also for example, like the bed position.
Bed frame.
Yeah, bed frame. So basically, you still recall the last episode I did mention about this 文主照, the bed position, tapping the right energy.
Okay.
So if they are tapping not the right energy, that's why they are not so smooth. Then till they engage your master to come here. So we cannot ask them to redo the whole thing again.
True. So
Yeah.
they will use another element to actually
Yes,
help
to
to
help
enhance.
enhance. Like we use more of the itemized stuff to help on that part already.
So I actually learned a lot about before moving in the house, what should we do, and many pointers. Have you ever thought of how to improve your house feng shui but don't know where to start? Join us on our next episode and we will share with you more tips about how to enhance your house feng shui and also your health and wealth. See you guys there. Bye!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.